Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm doing a video on the brand new launches from Charlotte Tilbury. She's just launched her Eye Color Magic range. She's got 4 different color palettes. Each of these is supposed to kind of enhance your natural eye color. Also, I got the new Pillow Talk Light Wand. I'm gonna probably try that on first, I think, just to give my face a bit of dimension and light because it's looking a bit one tone at the moment. First, I'm gonna try a swatch of the Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Medium. This comes in Charlotte Tilbury's signature Pillow Talk packaging. And it comes with a little sponge applicator, which is one of the reasons I've always wanted to try it. The good thing about this, to stop it from getting too messy, is that there is an on-off button. I do love the sponge applicator. I think it's a really nice idea. And I definitely do think this is a good shade for darker skin tones. It's not too light. So I'm not sure how easy it is to use, but we're gonna give it a go. I'm just gonna swipe it along my cheekbone. Oh, it's so bright, oh my god. Go here. So that's it there. It looks pretty nice. I definitely think you can blend it out with the sponge because it would just smudge it everywhere. So I'm gonna do what she did and I'm gonna blend it out with this brush here on one side, and then I'll use fingers for the other. It's a bit more subtle than I was hoping it would be, to be honest. Let's see how it goes here. I'm gonna build it up a little bit. I need a bit more pizzazz. It's definitely given it a highlight, but it doesn't look flawless, and it's kind of broken down the foundation I had on. But it's not too bad in terms of shine. I'm not sure it's my favorite highlighter, to be honest. So next is the dual-ended eyeliner. It is in the shade Super Blue. It has one metallic side and one matte side. It's £21. But I do like the color. I think it's quite bright. I think the pigment is really nice on these. I'll start with the metallic shade. It does look pretty bright on the upper lash line, which I'm quite impressed with. And considering how dark my eyelids are, it's pretty pigmented, it's pretty bright, and it definitely is showing up. It's quite creamy as well. So next I'm gonna use the matte. I'm not sure what to do with it. I don't really know why I need both. The matte one is really quite hard to apply. It's quite stiff. So that is the matte and the metallic. I think the metallic is really cool and really nice, and it's definitely like brightened up that eye area, but I'm not sure I need the matte side at all. But it's pretty, it looks nice. Is it worth £21? Probably not. Next on my list is something I've been really excited to try. I've never tried a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. This is actually a quad, but it's still a palette to me. Palettes are £40 for 4 eyeshadows. So it's like £10 an eyeshadow. Not a crazy price, but considering they're quite cute and small, I feel like that's quite expensive. What I love most about her eyeshadow palettes is that she gives you a guide to do it. So she says 1 prime, 2 enhance, 3 smoke, 4 pop. So I'm gonna use her method. This is the packaging here. It is very bronzy, very coppery. It looks like a sunset. I love the eye. I think that's super cute. 0.17 ounces, 5 grams, color-coded eyeshadows. Doesn't really say much else. This is for blue eyes. Obviously I don't have blue eyes, I have brown eyes, but I love copper stuff, so I'm gonna try it. It comes in a kind of shiny, glossy, burgundy palette with the Charlotte Tilbury logo, the classic logo. On the back also it has the grid of 1, 2, 3, 4. And I actually haven't swatched this at all or anywhere, so it will be the first time I've ever tried it. And so I'm a bit nervous, and I hope I've done the right thing and bought the right one and wasn't supposed to buy the blue one, because now I'm worrying. So first guys, I'm gonna do a swatch of each. So this is the prime shade. Ooh, very gold. Wow. It doesn't look like it would be that gold at all, but it's beautiful. Next is enhance. This is so nice. They're very creamy. Oh, this is insane. This pigment. That's just the first two. These look so much more pigmented than they do in the pan. Okay, next is Smoke. Smoke. Oh, that's very silky. That's a matte. It looks a lot more pigmented than it does in the pan also. I'm quite impressed with these, wow. And then last, I'm going to use Pop. It's quite glittery feeling. So yeah, that's kind of more of a glitter. There isn't much to it. I guess it's just to pop these bits. So that is the quad on my hand there. I'm really impressed. They are really, really bright and pigmented and gorgeous. So first I'm gonna go in with Prime, which is this one here. I'm not sure which brush to use yet, so I'm gonna just try and use this small brush, see how that goes. I'm so excited. So this is Prime, so I presume this goes all over my lid. And I think I'm just gonna use my fingers because the payoff seems a lot better with the finger. It's very bright, like it's a lot brighter than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna use the brush to blend it a bit. Whoa, this is so bright. It does look a tiny bit patchy, just from where I've kind of tried to blend it out from putting my fingers, but that's it. Close up. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Enhance, which is this gorgeous color here. They're so bright. I'm really impressed with these colors. They're so molten and so rich in color. I wasn't expecting that at all. So I've enhanced with shade number 2. And next I'm going to Smoke, number 3, which is the matte, which I guess I will use kind of on the corner. Oh, that was easy. This is actually really easy. Oh my God, Charlotte, what is going on, babes? I wasn't expecting this. Oh, I love this. Wow. And it's really picking up the highlighter now, the two together. I also think I put on too much eyeliner, but no. So that's Smoke. The Smoke has really just brought it all together and toned down the metallic a bit. And last but not least, I'm going to use Pop. I'm going to use a smaller brush and just kind of use it on the inner eye here. And that's Pop. I've never used one of Charlotte Tilbury's palettes before, and I kind of now see why people love them. It is really, really nice, and it made it so simple to do. I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bit of this copper over this side and see if I can do something funky. Obviously not too funky. Something slightly funky with just the lid maybe. I'm gonna prime. Enhance. Now I'm going to smoke it out. So that's it with the blue liner. I'm going to put a bit of eyeliner on this side just to see how it looks with a black liquid eyeliner that I would normally use, which is the Pat McGrath. I'm absolutely obsessed with this eyeshadow palette, and I think of everything I've tried, it's definitely the best thing, and I think it's probably the only thing worth buying. I do like the blue eyeliner, but I do think it is quite expensive for the price, and I don't think you need the other side. I feel like it's a bit pointless, but it does look cute. I feel like if I was in Miami or in a beach somewhere, it would look quite cool, but that feels like a long way off now. So guys, that's my finished look. I'm actually really impressed with it. It was a bit of a slow start, but I do really love the copper eyeshadow palette. I think that's gorgeous. I do like the blue eyeliner, and I do think it really does make my eye pop, and it definitely looks a bit more bright and summery and marine-y. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.